Due to reduced capacity and expected longer travel times during the ongoing Metro Rail repairs, all commuters are going to be impacted. Everybody who travels along the major corridors within Fairfax County, that's I-66, I-495, Dulles Toll Road, and I-95, they're going to be significantly impacted. In order to reduce the potential gridlock, we are urging everyone to at least telework or to use flexible work schedules whenever possible. We're also encouraging people to try considering an alternate mode of transportation other than driving alone. We're also encouraging people to bike and walk whenever possible. There are over 40 park and ride facilities located throughout Fairfax County, so this gives people an option to park their cars and catch their van pool or their car pool. And I think it's important to note that all of the park and ride facilities within the county are free of charge, with the exception of those located at Metro Rail stations, and there are also 2 other privately operated facilities, one in McLean and one in Tysons. Employees who rideshare can also sign up for the Regional Guaranteed Ride Home program, and it acts as a safety net where in the event an emergency comes up and their child gets sick or if they're not feeling well, they're able to leave work early. We're encouraging commuters to plan ahead and to go to our website for all of your resources and assistance for your other commuting options.